Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we will learn about the second chapter is linear programming. But before that, we need to know about linear inequality into variable. As you see here, expression of the x plus 2y less than equal 8 and 3x minus y more than 6 are called linear inequality into variables. So that the meaning, if they have linear, so they have the degree just 1, and then inequality, they have the sign with the less than or more than or equal into variables that they have just two variables everyone. So from here maybe you will be curious how to represent the solution of linear inequality into variable. You already learned in a grade 10 how to find the linear equalities, right? So from here you just need to doing you need to draw the graph because we have x plus 2y less than equal 8, so you need to change the sign to be equal the both of them, or you can use just the one of them. Okay, determine the solution set satisfying inequality, or max an order pair x y to show the inequality true, and then determine whether line itself is included in the solution. So look at this. So this is, if you hear sign, the meaning of the sign. If the sign is less than or equal, the line is dash. If the sign is more than equal or less than equal, the line will be solid or straight line. Okay, when dealing with just x and y, okay, this is just from me. I just make a conclusion. If the sign more than or more than equal, the shading either goes up or to the right, and then refers to if the sign is less than or less than equal, the shading either goes down or to the left. So you need to remember, okay, remember, if the sign doesn't have equal, they have they have dash, and then if they have equal, they are using solid or straight line. And then remember again, if the sign less than or less than equal, the shading either goes up or to the right, and then if the sign is less than or less than equal, the shading either goes down or to the left. Okay, this one is the sum helpful hands from me, yeah. So okay, from here, using what we know in the the, s- the first slide, I think, or the second slide, sketch the graph 3x plus 2y less than equal 12. Okay, so from here you need to draw the graph up equal, because we don't using the the sign more than equal or less than equal, etc. So from here you just to make the equation, and then you can take another point, but to make it easier you can take 0. After you take 0, you substitute from the equation, you will get the y6, and then if you have y0, you substitute to the equation, you will get x. So the point is 0.6 and 4.6 4.0, I mean. So you just need to make a point, and then you draw it. After this, you make an order pair to show this inequality is true. To check it, pick any point that is not on the line. You can uh, pick any point, like it for easier. You can pick point 0.0, or you can pick like 6.7 or etc. It depends on you. But I told you pick an easy point, but that point is not on the line. It's not on the line, okay? So from here, when we pick 0.0 and then you substitute to the equation the linear inequalities, and then 0 less than equal 12. Okay, so from here you need to make the step 3, decided if this is true or false. Is it correct 0 more than equal 12? Is it if it is true, you say it on the same side. That the meaning when the zero is true more than equal 12, you give the shade from here. Okay. If the false zero more than equal 12, if it false, you set on the opposite side. If you take the point 0.0, you should draw in the another side or opposite from the 0.0, everyone. So the result is this one. Okay. So the blue color is the set solution from that what we want to know the set solution from the linear inequalities, everyone. So another equation, sketch a graph satisfying the solution set of 2x plus 3y less than equal 6. So the first thing first, you need to change the sign to be equal. Okay. After that, you can to take uh, let the x equal 0 and then y equal 0. So you will get the you substitute to this equation, you will get the result 0.2 and 3.0. So you can draw from the point you connecting by the 2 point. After that, you can, like I said before, you can take not any point but not on the line. So why I take 0.0? 0.0 is easier than any point. You don't need to spend your time to answer that question, okay? So when I substitute this one, oh, 0 less than equal 6. You decided again. Is it true? 0 less than equal 6 or false? When we substitute 0.0, you thinking, oh, that's one is true because 0 is less than equal 6, right? Because is it true? You draw or you give it the shade on the same side. Okay, everyone? So I think you understand from here. Okay, this one, the exercise one. Exercise one is you need to sketch the graph 1 until 10. You can do in your book. Thank you for your attention, everyone. I hope you enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.